Hi all of you, back with another video on Jenkins. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install plugins. Alright, some important plugins. Alright, so let me go to my that not in my desktop. Where is my Jenkins warrior? I think it is in download. Let me go back by doing cd double dot. Now it's time to do cd again, change directory, that is your download. Alright, so here is your cd jenkins war file. Yeah, here you can run your command java -jar jenkins war file is your name of that war file, war file. So now as you all can see, my this is running. Alright, my jenkins is running. Let it run. As you all can see, the processing is going on. So now I will show you in this video that how to configure, how to add path of your Maven and your JDK, which is your Java development kit. Alright, so let me just open my Jenkins. Now I think I can open. Let me write here localhost. Let me delete all of this stuff. Let me click this. Now again, now it's time to write localhost Jenkins dashboard, as you all can see. Alright, now I think Jenkins is running or not. It is not. It is, yeah, it is running. It is running now. What was my I really don't know what was my username. I think this one, Saitya Gupta 25. Now as you can see that I am in my dashboard. Alright, so let me zoom out a little bit. I think 125 is good. Now how to install some plugins, from where you can install. So here you can see manage Jenkins. So now you have to go here. Now there are building on built in a node can be a security, so you should set up distributed builds. No, I don't want right now. Configure of which, so you have to go here, manage plugins. Alright, so now you can see updates. So there are some plugins which you already have, so they have your updates. So you can also take them like this, and you can update this in. So there is your plugin of GitHub and jQuery, JUnit. These are all of your Java, I think, related to Java. So now LDAP matrix, pipeline PI, pipeline basic step, pipeline declarative. Now you have to check all of these box. After that you can update them. Alright, this one, and I think these are some important plugins which are already, you have already these plugins. Alright, so you are not installing these, you have already. As you all can see there, you can see updates. So you just have to click on this one, download now and install after restart. Alright, so now as you all can see there, these plugins are now updating, they are installing again. Alright, you can see that they are installing. You need a good internet connection. Alright, so yeah, I think that is about these plugins. So now you have to go download it successfully, will be activated during the next boot. So yeah, that is true. So now you have to click on manage Jenkins again. Now you have to go manage plugins. Alright, so now you have to click on this available. Now you have to write here you have to write here Maven, and you have to install this first plugin, which is your this Maven Integration. You have to click on this, and you can do like this, install without restart. Alright, so let me show you what it does. When you click on this new item, as you all can see, there is no Maven, there is no option related to Maven. As you all know, Maven is used for building. it is widely used for building your Java applications, your Java related to Java stuff, but it can build anything, alright, because it's a building tool, but it is more preferable for your Java applications. So now let me see that where are my these plugins are installing. I can't see. Alright, so now you have to click on this global configuration tool, global tool configuration. Alright, so now you have to click on this, and after that you have to add your JDK. What is your JDK? So you have to uncheck this because you have already installed your JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. So now it's time to write here Java. Just you have to write here Java. Alright, and now you have to give your path. Now you have to give your path of Java. So I am in my this PC. Alright, there is your local disk C. When you go in program files, now you can see Java JDK. Now you have to give this path Java Development Kit, copy this stuff and paste here. Alright, now I think yeah, that you have to only this much. Now Git is Git, it has already taken the path of Git because it is there in your desktop. Where is my Git? There it is. Alright, so here you can see there is your Git bash. Let me close this. So now it's time to add your Maven. So it's time to add Maven, path of Maven. So let me go to my folder again. Let me do back. Where is Maven? Maven. There is no Maven. Alright, so Maven is your here. As you all can see, Apache Maven. Alright, so now you have to open this. Alright, now you have to click on this. There is a path, you have to copy and you have to paste here. First uncheck this. Now you have to write here Maven, or you can write anything, just write Maven, and now you have to paste here path of Maven. Now it's time to I think this is Maven, yeah, and this one is your, close this, yeah, this one is your Maven, and now apply, not apply, just save. Now save this, and now I think your Maven Integration tool plugin is now installed. Let me see first where is my manage Jenkins, and now here manage plugin, update not available. Let me see install first. Let me see installed plugins. So there is, let me see where is your Maven plugin. I think it is here, Maven, where is your, I think it is not installed yet. Let me see, it is not installed yet. So now go to manage Jenkins again, and now it's time to go to global, not global, manage Jenkins. Alright, now you have to go to available. Now you have to write here Maven again, Maven Integration tool. Now you have to click here. Now you have to click here build tool. Now check this box, right now. Download now, install after restart. Do this. Alright, download now and install after restart. Now you can see here some of plugins are successfully downloaded and installed. Now 4 of them are still not installed. Installing. Where is a Maven Integration? Alright, there is your plugin Maven, and there is your Java doc. So let it install first. Now you can see that Maven Integration is your installing, and after that your loading plugin extension will be installed. As you all can see that one of my Maven Integration plugin is failed, and now second one is installing. Let's see it also failed or not. Let's see, it is installing. So now this is your update center. Alright, all plugins install, install here, and preparation, checking internet connectivity, checking update center connectivity, success. Now some of your plugins, as you all can see, they will install after your next boot. So first I have to download successfully will be activated during the next boot. Alright, so now I have to do what? Now go to dashboard, log out, and now it's time to enter your username again. Alright, now it's time to enter your username again, also enter your password as well. And now when you open, now I have opened again, I'm logged to my Jenkins dashboard. So it's time to open new item. Now as you can see that you have now your Maven project. So you have your Maven project, as you all can see there is your plugin. It means your plugin is successfully installed. Now you can restart this as well and just install this plugin successfully. After that, in the next video I will build a project using Maven. Alright, I'll show you how to build a project using Maven. And yeah, that's about for today. I think this is enough for today. This video is all about to install plugin, and yeah, you have installed all plugins successfully. I think now it's time to go to dashboard. Yeah, I think everything is now good. So just install this Maven plugin and also update all of those plugins which I showed you in this video. And from the next video I will show you that how to create a project using Maven. And yeah, I will meet you in my next video.